Hello everybody! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here I will show you how to create a form in Zendesk. Creating a form in Zendesk is an amazing way to streamline your customer service operations, ensuring you gather all the necessary information from your clients right from the start. Whether you're aiming to set up a support ticket form, collect customer feedback, or create any other type of form, Zendesk offers a flexible platform that can accommodate a wide range of needs. This tutorial will take you through each step of setting up a form, and make sure you feel confident doing it on your own. First things first, let's get you logged into your Zendesk account. Begin by navigating to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. It's worth noting that you might be prompted to click on Sign In again, just a small quirk of the site that's nothing to worry about. After that, go ahead and enter your email address and password. Once you've typed in your credentials, you can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Sign In button again to access your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access the Zendesk Products dashboard. Look for and click on the Zendesk Products option. This click will move you closer to the area where you can manage and create forms. Your next step is to enter the Admin Center. This is the hub where all the magic of form creation happens. On your dashboard, locate and click on the Admin Center. This section provides access to various administrative settings, including those for managing your forms. Once you're in the Admin Center, it's time to dive into the specifics of creating a form. Find the Objects and Rules section and click on it. This area is a treasure trove of options for customizing how you interact with your customers, including the forms they'll fill out. Within the Objects and Rules menu, you'll find an option labeled Forms. Go ahead and click on Forms to access all your form-related settings. With the Forms page open, it's time to create a brand new form. You'll notice an option to add a form. Clicking this will bring up a new form template, ready for your customization. This is where you can input all the details you want to capture with your form. Think carefully about the information that is crucial for your team to have. Make sure you include fields for essential details, such as the customer's name, contact information, specifics about their inquiry, or anything else relevant to your support process. After you've entered all the necessary details into your new form, the final step is to save it. Look for the Save button and give it a click. And there you have it. You've just created a new form in Zendesk. Remember, the key to a great form is ensuring it asks for exactly what you need and nothing more. This approach guarantees a smooth experience for your customers and efficient processing by your team. Don't hesitate to revisit and revise your forms as your needs evolve. That's it for this tutorial on how to create a form in Zendesk. If you found it useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more helpful videos.